Welcome to the Totally Honest Cookie Show. I'm Mark. Today we're doing the easiest fajita recipe I could find on the internet. Let's go! It's the last week of school and I'm a teacher, so that means easy eats. We're going to start with 2 peppers, any color. Some recipes use 3 peppers, any color. That's fine too. Okay, trim them, core them, and start slicing them. Make them the size factor you want. I've got this cookie sheet with non-stick spray already waiting for me. Do the other one, I'm not going to make you watch. Next up, our onion. We're just cutting it into rings. Instructions don't say to break them up. I'm going to break them up. Next up, our chicken, same thing. We're cutting it into strips. Don't make it harder than it has to be. This is 1 to 1.5 pounds of chicken breast. I think this is more like 1.5, 1.6. From here we have a couple options. You could use avocado oil like the recipe says. You could use vegetable oil, whatever healthy neutral oil you have. Vegetable oil is not healthy neutral oil. It is neutral oil though, so I'm using it. Don't judge me. The second thing I have to decide is how much cooking I want to do for my cooking show, right? The recipe I found says to use half a pack of taco seasoning, which sounds bad on its face. First of all, use the whole freaking pack. You have more than the amount that you would use if you were just making chicken tacos, which is more or less the same freaking thing, at least from a seasoning standpoint. Second of all, if we're trying to be authentic or even culinarily good cooking, meat and vegetables should not be cooking at the same time, because the vegetables are always going to finish first. This is silly on its face. So why not side with the lazy version and see if it works? So that's what we're doing today. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Wouldn't it be funny if I just left it like this and put it in the oven? Not gonna. 2 tablespoons of our neutral oil. The idea is to just get everybody covered. If you don't have gloves, feel free to put it all in a big bowl and just stir it around. It'll be fine. Whatever. Also, you're going to want to make tortillas or rice. I don't like store-bought tortillas, and actual tortillas are too much work if I'm trying to do this purely out of laziness. So we're not going with that. I'm making rice bowls. 400 degree oven, 20 minutes. And while that's going, feel free to shred some cilantro and cook some beans and make some rice, whatever. About half an hour later, this is our result. Can already see, should have gone thicker on the onion. Needed more pepper, as predicted. Remember what I said. Sheet pan meals are a great idea. They're very great time savers. But nitpicking on how chefy you want to get with it is silly because, again, your meat and your veg cook at different rates. Peppers are good. Chicken's good too. I could actually use more seasoning. I don't know what this person was thinking with the half a taco packet. And maybe, just maybe you would benefit from making your own mix or buying one of those big containers of the taco seasoning in a jar and using that. But other than that, I'm going to call this a good dinner. But slice the onions a little thicker than you think you need to slice them, because those are too thin. Anyway, that's what I have for you this week. I'm going to go make a bowl. Like, subscribe, ding the little bell, Leave a comment down below. Let me know your favorite sheet pan meal for emergencies. And I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.